Alright, last step is we've done the basic ones with natural log, which is so basic. We've done it using the power rule. Now we have an equation where we have to find the derivative when inside the natural log you're dividing by another term of x, 4x to the power of 6. And for that we have to use the chain rule, where g, the function of g of x divided by h of x, is equal to, when you take the derivative of that, the derivative of g of x times h, the original h of x, minus the derivative of h of x times the original g of x, all over the original h of x squared, all squared. That, I know what you're thinking. That all right there is just in the numerator for this one. This is all the whole thing. And then divided by is the original equation. So I'm going to make a slanted denominator to make everything look a little bit cleaner. So let's start. Well, we know what the original function is. X cubed plus 8x divided by 4x to the 6. Alright, that's the basic one. So now we have to start. Well, g of x, which is the numerator, is the derivative of that is 3x squared plus 8 times the original 4x to the 6 minus the derivative of the denominator 24x to the 5th times the numerator's original x cubed plus 8x all over h of x all squared, which is 16x to the 12th. Yep, 16x to the 12th. Alright, all we would do is we now start simplifying things, distribution and all that. So here's the first term right here. That's 12x to the power of 8 plus 32x to the power of 6 minus 24x to the 8th plus 8 times 24, 24 times 8, that's a 2, there's a 3, that's a 16, 192 x to the 5th, all divided by 16x to the power of 12. That's the numerator completely. And then here's the denominator. X cubed plus 8x divided by 4x to the 6th. Alright, and so from there, all what we do is we take this part, because this is dividing by a division. You're going to flip it and switch it, or do the reciprocal. So it's 12x to the 8th plus 32x to the 6th minus 24x to the 8 minus, because it's a minus and positive number, 192x to the 5th, all divided by 16x to the 12th times x cubed plus 8x divided by 4x to the 6th. And from there, all we do is simplify a little bit more. In these terms, we're given negative 12x to the 8th plus 32x to the 6th minus 192x to the 5th times x to the 3rd plus 8x, because that's from right here, all divided by 16x to the power of 12 times 4x to the power of 6. That's basically it. That is the complete solution.